Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma. Happy 4th tomorrow. I'm bringing you the Pedicura Healthy and Beautiful Feet, and these are the toe separators. And yes, I need, well, my left foot. Okay, I need a toe separator type foot because, like I said, I never, I mean, I was a dancer and I was a ballet dancer, so I didn't take care of my feet. I just didn't know to take care of my feet the way I should have. It's toe separator from Pedicure, and it helps relieve foot pain by spreading, stretching, and exercising your toes. It helps realign your toes to optimal posture, important overall balance and agility, and brings the circulation and neglected lower extremity. So we're going to try this and see how it works. So, and these are blue. So, I'm going to put them on. It tells you all the care and cleaning. It tells you how to align the separator between the toes until there is an ideal fit. Start with 10 to 15 minutes per day and then build up slowly to an hour. There might be moderate discomfort at first, as with exercise or any regimen. Use in moderation and common sense. And if you have severe foot condition, please consult a doctor. So I'm going to try this and see if it works. Because my doctor said he won't operate on it because, and I don't want him to anyway, but because it just is too painful and he doesn't want me to go through that kind of pain because I've had the stroke and he's scared. So that's my foot doctor. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless.